Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 3. Today we are just going to the library and studying, and I'm with my friend Daphne. Do you want to open today's advent calendar with me?
Yes, I do.
Yes, okay. So this is the activity for today. I don't know how I'm gonna record it, probably not going to. Just we're gonna do it. Are you gonna do it with me?
I would love to.
Yay! Okay, time to study for 12 hours. Okay, so that was a very, very boring vlog, but I said before that some were going to be super short, and yeah, we just basically studied and then we got Panera, and unfortunately I did not complete today's activity, but I okay, it's great. Just bang bang. Well, they stop. But if you're watching this, go and compliment a stranger. Do it, or compliment a friend or something. I will try to do it tomorrow along with tomorrow's activity. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe by clicking the button down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. Bye!